Hey guys, hope you're well. So good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, so today we're gonna be looking at manipulating matrices with SymPy, and yeah, so let's get started. Oh yeah, cool. On a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys actually subscribe to my channel. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. That'll be greatly appreciated. So thanking you in advance. So let's get started. So from then SymPy, import, then star, and then initial printing, then pretty print. That's equal to true. So that's just to have my answers in a very like pretty manner. So really nice, like nice looking. And then X, Y, that's symbols. X and Y. Cool. Okay, cool. So I've got a matrix M. I'll call it M. So then matrix. And then so that'll be -7, -1, -5. And then -1, -2, -3, and then 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. So that's my matrix. So M, there we are. So I want to determine the shape of the matrix. So shape, then M. It's a 3 by 3 matrix. Then I want to call row 2. So M dot row 2. So that's 3, 2, 1. That's the second row. But SymPy counts that as 0. That's row 0, row 1, and then row 2. Okay, and then M, if I want to call column 1, so M dot column. So that's 0, column 0, column 1, column 2. So that's that. So that's column 1. Okay, cool. And then if I want to delete a row, so M dot delete. Let me think. Sorry, M dot row dot delete. Let me delete 2. Okay, and that deletes row 2. And then let me call M again. So there we are. So row 2 has been deleted. So that's the new matrix. Then if I want to delete a column, is also M dot col delete column 0. So my M there. So that's the new matrix. So that column is gone. -7, -1, they've gone. So you've got that. Okay. So that's deleting a column. So if I want to insert a row, so I'll type in M dot row insert. Sorry. Okay. So my position is going to be 2, and then the matrix. So let's say 2, 1. So there we are. So I've inserted a new row. So 2, 1 is at the bottom. So this is row 0, row 1, and then row 2. Okay. And then if I want to insert a column, so M dot col, then insert. So my position will be 0, and then matrix, let's say -7, -1. So there we are. So that's the column that's been inserted. So that's the position there. So that's 0. Okay, and so I want to construct matrices. So if I type in I, and then 3, that would create an identity matrix, a 3 by 3 identity matrix, and then 1s, 3 by 3. So there we are. And then diag, so I'll say 372. So that's my new matrix. Okay, so I want to show you something neat. So Z equals then diag 372 minus diag. I have x, and x. So then that's my new Z. Okay, and then I'll call that F equals the matrix dot get the determinant of Z. Okay, and then F, that will create a polynomial. So basically just multiplying the diagonal out. So I'll get that polynomial. Okay, and then if I want to get the root for this equation, so it'll be solve F with respect to x. So those will be my eigenvalues. So that'll be 2, 3, and 7. Okay, so those are the values of x. Okay, right. And then I can also construct a matrix just using diag as well. So M equals matrix. So I'll just use diagonal and add the numbers 1, 0, 0. Then 0, then diag. I have x there, and then a 0 there, and then 2, 1, and 4. So that's my M. There we are. So you can manipulate it in it whichever way you want. Okay, cool. So it's just a quick video just to show you how to manipulate matrices using SymPy. So like I said, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. That'll be greatly appreciated. So cool. And have a good day. Thank you guys. Cheers. Bye-bye.